Okay, Dave, here's my cell phone here. Hopefully the glare isn't too bad. I'm going to click on the G here, and that's going to pull up the app. I'm just going to show the app like that. See all the, and this little spot here that says share is what I'm going to do to select the video. So I'm going to hit this. Wonder if that'll, no. I'm going to hit the share button in this corner here. And it's going to give me the options. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down to the videos. A doctor's perspective on the micronutrients is that video. So I could go over and each one of these videos is a different one. One's a product video, some of them are opportunity videos. What I'm going to do is scroll down to where it says business opportunity. And there's a little 5-minute intro, like a sizzle video. The next one over, come on, phone. The next one over is a 5-minute sizzle video. And you just kind of mix and match these to the person that you think will like the one the most. The next one over, I get the phone to quit going up and down. There we go. Is the 15-minute overview. And that's what it says right on it. Business opportunity 15-minute overview. I'll try to tilt the phone where it'll show the writing in the camera. It says 15-minute overview right there. Business opportunity. That's the one that I sent you. And there's a full overview. The next one over right there. And there's more videos. There's follow-up videos that you could use. But when you get ready to send a video like the one I sent to you, here's the 15-minute overview. I'm going to send that one again to you. Now, where my finger's at here, oh, come on, light. See that little blue box where under the 15-minute overview with the arrow through it? My finger's right there. Okay. That's what you're going to push on to share it. So I'll push that button. See that right under that button are black words that say share. That's the button you're going to push. See, I'm going to push it with my finger. And as I push that button, it's going to ask me, it's going to show me the message and ask me if I want to send it. And I'm going to hit the next button because I do. And now it's going to ask, do I want to do with existing prospects? And I'm going to click yes because you're my existing prospect. Otherwise, you would just start writing their name and filling out that form. I'm going to go down my list and I'm going to select the last one I entered in there, which was Dave Yost. I'm going to push that button. So now it's going to verify, is this where you want that video sent to? That text number, I'm going to hit next. And then it's going to ask me if I want to do a 1-day or a 3-day. It's going to send me a reminder I want it to, so I'm going to hit next. Here's the reminder. Okay, I'm going to hit next or send. See how it says send in the upper corner? I'm going to hit send. Now it's going to show me the text message. And I have to hit send through my phone for it to go. And it'll go right to you. And the way I hit send on my phone, there was a Facebook message come, I'm sorry, is the little airplane. See the little airplane there? I push on that airplane and it sent you the video. So hopefully that recorded clear enough for you and this has been helpful.